crossfire.
Shoot, shoot! Wow! Shoot, shoot! Ito. Wow! Apir, Bi, apir! Wow! Dang?
Basta hinga ka, tita. Hinga. Tita na kay Manny.
Tita na, kamane.
Asa ibay ni mo?
Video to. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Ay, shush. Video tayo. Hi, friends. Adi Basil. Hey. Family band. Yay.
Video?
Video. Nakikita.
Gulong ng buhay.
I love you.
Thank you, my love.
Bon voyage!
Yay! Thank you, my love.
Napalungkot kasi po, napanoorin lang na yan.
Excuse the part that I borrowed from Ate Lucky and Kuya Basil. I don't know what they planted here before. But right now we have chili. So sadly hindi ako nakabili ng sili na gusto ko, yung maliliit sa Davao. Nandun ako, so order na ako online. Now I'm trying to plant it with my nail file as ewan ko, ayaw ko. Masaksakan muna ng lupa sa kuko kasi I'm also doing the laundry right now. Yan. I think that's enough. Don't judge my first time planting skill. I don't know if I have a green thumb. May mga balahibo pa ng aso. Yan. Si Chuchu. Okay. So, I'll water that too. Of course. We water. Hi, Chuchu Pie. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Hi, Sush. Come here. Come. No? No lang? Okay. Oh, Lena. Wow, Lena. Hi. Hi, Kuya Prince. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Sush. Sakit ako, no? Hi, Lena. Yes, this is the outside world. Hi, Prince. Oh, wow. Walking alone. Oh, wow. With Tita Becca.
Hi, Lena. Hi!
Hi, Lena. Ba't parang ano siya, senti-senti?
Sige na.
Ay, nag-stuck po tayo. Ay, sus! Hello! Cute naman ng ribbon. Ay! Ay! Hello, Prince!
Oh, nagma ka.
Go, go! Okay, okay! Yay! Go, love! Oh, wow! Yay! Hi, Mommy! Hi, Mommy! Eh, kamusta? Oh. Ayaw umalis. Yes! Kuya! Hi! Hi, Pritoy! Say hi! Hi, Prince! Hi, love!
Pangbaon ninyo ugma sa kwante, barko.
Nakamit ka ba?
Oo.
Spray. Spray dito. Spray. Alcohol. Alcohol, please. Alcohol.
So, ganun sa gilid lang.
Spraying.
Isa sa gilid.
Hi. Hi. Ayaw spray Lena ha. Bawal si Lena na. Bawal sa bata. Spray. Spray kita tap. Sa mata mo ma-spray yun. So, siyo ka dito. Kasi dito lang. Okay, sit down. Hi. Okay.
What's your name? What's your name? What's me? Tama lang. Tama isa lang. Tulong. What's me? What's me? Namamiga. Namami Superman. Namamiga. Lumayas man. Naman ang buhok. Ay, maabang ba?
Wow! Oh, USA ni, USA ni. Oh, USA ni. Hi! Smile dong, smile. Show your teeth. Tapat mo ni Lena. Good morning, everyone! Ito na, I'm gonna show you. Tumubo na ang aking tinanim na sili seed. Here they are! So, from seed talaga, ayan na siya. Ayan. Ito kagabi, actually, hindi pa siya nagganyan talaga na tumubo ng marami. Ito yung nauna eh. Ayan siya. Pero, now, look at this! Okay. I want to thank Ate Laking Kuya Basil sa pots and soil and Sweetie sa pag-arrange ng pots. So happy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you in my next one.